How to fix Microsoft Store download or install error. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Store download or install errors. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. These errors can be frustrating because you can't install apps or games, but here's how to fix them. First, click the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Microsoft Store. Right-click the Microsoft Store app and select App Settings. Once in it, scroll down and click Terminate to fully close the app. Then click Repair. If that doesn't help, click Reset and confirm your choice. Next, go back to the search bar and type wsreset.exe. Right-click wsreset.exe and select Run as Administrator. A black window will open for a moment. Wait for it to finish. The Microsoft Store will relaunch automatically. Now try downloading your apps again. That's it. If this fixed the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more tips.